subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Oppo has silently launched its new affordable smartphone under A series in Malaysia called Oppo A76, and it is the successor of the Oppo A74 smartphone that was launched back in April last year. Talking about the specifications, the Oppo A76 supports a 6.56-inch HD Plus display with up to 90Hz refresh rate, and it has a tall 89.9% screen-to-body ratio. The phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 680 chipset, paired with Adreno 610 GPU. The smartphone packs with 6GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to 5GB by using internal storage, and it has 128GB of UFS 2.2 storage with microSD expansion support. As per the optics, the Oppo A76 supports a dual camera setup in a rectangular module at the top left corner that houses a 13MP main camera with f2.2 aperture and a 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. At the front, it has an 8MP selfie camera under the hole punch at the top left corner with f2.0 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery that supports 33W SuperVOOC fast charging, and on the software front, the handset runs on Android 11 based on ColorOS 11.1 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone also features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.4 by 75.7 by 8.4mm, and it weighs around 189 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Oppo A76 has been priced in Malaysia at 899 Malaysian ringgits, and it is now available for purchase in the country in glowing blue and glowing black color options. So what do you guys think of this Oppo A76 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.